Okay, my burger is all done. Don't you like it? I cannot. What is she doing?
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Let's do this. Not excuse you. No, not.
Gracie, I feel like there's seriously something wrong with you sometimes.
I know, but that's not how you do it. That's just
Hey,
step
Mommy.
number one. This is how you really do it. You go.
Mom, you want barbecue?
You do this. If you're at someone's house, this is a tip of advice. If you're eating lunch, you get up, you come to their couch, you stand on their couch, and you do, what are you gonna do? And you do this.
Gracie, you're not right.